Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. Tonight, tuna melt and deviled eggs. The morning mise en place. The eggs are boiling. All the goodies to put the eggs together. Everything in the bowl. The filling is ready for the whites. The finished deviled eggs. Here's the mise en place for the tuna. All the goodies for the tuna filling. Everything in the bowl except the mayo. And the tuna is ready. The final mise en place for the tuna melts. Here they are filled. The first side on the griddle. Put a dome over. Flip to the second side on the griddle. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.